If you want to restore deleted chats or conversations on Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all, we need to go to Google Messages app. Now in here, we're gonna tap on our Google profile that is located either here on the right side or in the upper right side. And then in this menu, we need to choose Trash. Over here, you should be able to find all your chats or conversations that have been removed in the last 30 days. And all you have to do is you can, for example, tap on the chat that you want to recover. And then here we need to use this circle with that looks like a clock pretty much, or a clock with an arrow. So we're going to tap over here, and there we go. The chat has been restored, so we can go back to the main menu of Google Messages, and now I have my conversation back again. Keep in mind that right now, at least when I'm recording this video, we can only recover chats or whole conversations, and we cannot recover individual messages. If you delete a message, right now it is permanently removed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.